Yeah, I made it dirty. So let's just go and put it straight in the water. Just gonna wash it. Okay, enough washing. Are you still working? Oops, sorry. Rugged phone, you have to drop it. But you'll watch some of the beauty filters that I turn on all the way to number 10, I mean maximum, and you will see I'm kind of looking like a beautiful alien. So go check out those pictures right now. 5580 milliamp battery, which actually charges at a very good wattage rate. And look at the action. Awesome, man. That was nice action right here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Ali Sharma here. Welcome to my room and a quick review of another rugged phone. This is OSCAL S60 Pro right here in my hand. And I'm calling it a rugged phone in a budget. Well, given the price of this phone, it does fall in the category of budget rugged phone. Let's bring the camera closer. Let me give you a closer look at the phone, talk about its features, and after that, I will show you some of the pictures and videos shot with the camera of this phone. And then, of course, talk about my conclusion so that all of you can make an informed decision whether you should go for OSCAL S60 Pro, the rugged phone in the budget. Let's get to work. Alright, let's take a closer look at the OSCAL S60 Pro. Now, this is the phone that I call the rugged phone in a budget. Okay, the first look looks very nice. Available in 3 different colors, Oasis Green, Flame Orange, and Eclipse Black. I got the Flame Orange and I kind of like it. Orange is anyway one of my favorite colors. I like the way they have these orange lines, orange contours going around, especially the front. Look at this. The orange line all around the screen, which is a raised edge, and it protects the screen when the phone falls down. So it definitely is going to protect the screen when the phone falls down. And also it looks kind of beautiful right here with this orange, like kind of neon, orange neon. Body of the phone is definitely built rough and tough. It is a waterproof and dust proof, coffee proof, they also say it. So you can spill coffee without worries on it. We have the tough raised edges on the side here, so it can take the impact when it drops on the sideways. Most of the time phones drop sideways, so it's definitely gonna take all the impact with these raised edges on the side, on the corners. And again, with the raised orange line right here, the screen will be protected. Also notice here you have a little lanyard holder, so it does look very nice and tough, so you can add some, lanyards here to hold or hang the phone. There is a USB charging port. Let's see what kind of USB charging it is. Ooh, look at that, micro USB. Come on. In an era of USB-C, you will give us a micro USB for charging? Come on, this is gonna drop your sales, because I just saw the news that in EU now they will not approve anything that is not going to use USB-C. So good luck for selling this in EU market with USB micro. Seems like there's a microphone and speakers down here, okay, and at this side you have a kind of hole. I don't know what this hole is for, and we have a on-off button, okay, volume buttons, and at left side we have the TF card slot. Let's see if I can take it out or not. Let's see if we can take it out by nails only, without breaking our nails. Okay, I managed to open it, and down there you have this TF card slot, for which I will need to get the tool out from here. Pull it out. I just want to show you what's in here. So you can either have 2 SIM cards in it, okay, SIM 1 and SIM 2, or 1 SIM card and 1 TF card, okay, and after that you can insert it back right? Push it down just like this, and then put this watertight cover, the nail breaker watertight cover on it. It's really tight. Okay, and don't forget, I almost missed it, there is a headphone jack, the old school headphone jack on top of this 3.5 millimeter. This means if you have your old school headphones that actually use a cable and a 3.5 millimeter jack, you'll be able to use it with OSCAL S60 Pro. Now, one thing you will notice, there's no fingerprint sensor. Well, phone in a budget, rugged phone in a budget, what do you expect? There is no fingerprint sensor, so you can put a face lock, so it does have a face ID, and it says face not detected because it cannot see my face. So I'm just gonna come here from the side, holding my face here. Ooh, it detected. So your face has to be pretty, you know, straightforward in front of it, and it will detect and unlock the phone. So there's a face ID, a face unlock, and of course you also have a PIN and password support. Now this is a Google phone running Android 11 and Dock OS 2.1. What is Dock OS 2.1? But first off, it has a 5.7 inch screen, HD screen, 720x 1440 resolution, pixel resolution only, but still I can see it's nice and fluid, actually very nice and responsive, very fluid movements. Okay, however, one thing I did notice is that when you are browsing, for instance, let me just go ahead and connect to internet. Let's say if you're browsing the Play Store, Google Play Store, that's what I noticed. It does have a MediaTek Helio A25 processor, which doesn't say what speed it is running on. One thing I noticed is that, you know, when you are browsing, as you can see, depending on the internet speed, it could be probably internet speed, there's a kind of lag. But once everything is loaded on your page, when you move down or up, still there is a slight lag. Still there's a slight lag. I haven't run the games on it yet. I did download a couple of games to see what is the power of the phone to run the games or to handle the games. 4 GB plus 32 GB, that's the version of this phone right here. Okay, 4 GB and 32 GB, but you can add the TF card and increase the storage up to 1 terabyte, 1 TB. Now, because this is a budget rugged phone, the cameras also are not that high resolution. So you have an 8 megapixel Sony IMX219 selfie camera, and you have 13 megapixel rear camera with 8 megapixel of Sony IMX219 night vision, which probably shoots in 720p with an infrared light only. Okay, I will show you the results of the camera very soon in this video. Those were the cameras. Now, of course, IP68, IP69, the waterproof, water resistant, dust resistant, and coffee resistant. Also, it has a GPS plus GLONASS plus Beidou plus Galileo all installed, in it, so you can run your navigation software very easily. 5,580 milliamp battery, which actually charges at a very good wattage rate. I have seen up to 7 point something watts rate while charging the battery, and it actually charged very fast. Ooh, so you have to jump and land. Okay, all right. Focus camera. Let's jump again. Oh man, I landed too fast. Yeah, I did it. The game is running pretty nice. I mean, this game anyway doesn't have that much requirement on the processing powers, I believe. So looks kind of very interesting, addicting game here, man. Okay, that was nice. So this game is actually running pretty nice and very smooth and fluid. Pretty fluid. Awesome. Tap to shoot. Ooh, nicey. That was nice. How to...
Oh, nice. So, jump to walk. Just like this. Roll.
I'm trying my best to do whatever I can. And look at the action. Awesome, man. That was nice action right here. Let's roll to the door. So, the games are running pretty fluid still. However, I can tell you one thing. the phone is already starting to get warm, and I'm sure if you run a bit more power hungry, processor hungry game, it will heat up. But once again, it does heats up. You have cold room where you can put your apps that are running in the background, sneaky, and make them, close and shut down so they don't run any sneaky things in the background. I like that. And it will cool down the system. But again, you have system management where you can have one touch optimizing, smart power saving, freeing up space, and I believe this will definitely clean up apps and make your phone run slightly cooler. Okay. Ooh, I was making thumbnails, just putting all the dirt on it to make a thumbnail, and I made it dirty. So let's just go and put it straight in the water. Dirty phone. Just gonna wash it and make it clean. Okay, enough washing. Are you still working? Yeah, it still works. Yeah, still working, man. Oops. Sorry. Rugged phone, you have to drop it. Okay. OSCAL S60 Pro drop test from my waist height. So I'm just gonna drop it like a turd from here. Time, I'm just gonna toss it and drop it right there. And this time, slightly more height. After all these drops, the phone is still okay. Well, I wouldn't drop it from more higher places like this, because in real life, you normally just drop from these heights. You're not gonna throw the phone from out of your window or the, staircase or something like that. So these are the normal drops for a rugged phone. And I would say it took it really with the smiles, and everything is still working just fine. Daytime video. This is my birdie. She's friendly, and they love their 3D printed home, which they have made a poop house right now. It's a lot of poop there. I have to clean it. Oh man, look at it. I have to clean it. But that one, her boyfriend or husband is kind of, shy, so he always runs inside. An outdoor view of the street using a 1080p video. And here I'm recording a video with the selfie camera, which is only 8 megapixel camera on S60 Pro from OSCAL, this budget rugged phone, and you can see the quality of this video right here. I don't know, when I'm in the light, I can see on the screen that my lips kind of have a lipstick. They're kind of more red. I haven't turned on any AI or any kind of beauty filters on that, but you'll watch some of the beauty filters that I turn on all the way to number 10, I mean maximum, and you will see I'm kind of looking like a beautiful alien. So go check out those pictures right now. Alright, so you have watched everything about OSCAL S60 Pro. Now for my conclusion. I would say if you're an adventurer, you work in harsh environments, you work in tough environments, you do vlogging outdoors, and you're looking for a rugged Android phone in budget with some of the good features and good enough camera, I believe this OSCAL S60 Pro will do the job. Given its price, given its characteristics and the features they have provided, and given its performance that you have watched in this video, I would say this is definitely a good phone in budget, especially rugged phone in budget. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming on my channel. Of course, more RC videos coming on my channel. Stay subscribed to my channel, hit that little bell icon, and stay updated for all the upcoming new uploads. If you have any questions, if you have any feedback, drop a comment on this video. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.